So hello everyone, in this video I'm going to give you a quick comparison between a canvas board or a canvas pad and normal paper. So let's start this video. Actually, in one of my videos I told you about the cheap papers which are very good at art. You can obtain the professional, make like pro. You can make professional arts with them. You can do paintings on them also, and which will look like professionals. So that was really good. And the papers which I told you are ivory sheet for painting, normal print paper also, normal this you can see this paper. This is of A3 size paper. The cost of is rupees 65 and 45 pages, 45 to 25 पेजेस आई डोंट रिमेंबर. सो ये सब भी बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. सो एक्चुअली फॉर पेंटिंग्स आई एडवाइज यू टू यूज़ दिस कैनवस बोर्ड. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, why I'm telling you to do this. Okay, so you can see I have used this normal paper for this. Okay, अभी आपको लग रहा हो कि थोड़ा उठा उठा लग रहा है. No, after drawing it will be completely normal. तो इसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, जो कि मैंने इस अपने वीडियो में कहा भी था, वन ऑफ माई वीडियोज़. तो अभी ये थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे हो गया, that doesn't mean it would be normal when it will dry up. But you can see some of the strokes. You can see बहुत सारे strokes दिख रहे हैं यहाँ पे. This is not smooth. I mean, ये कंप्लीट एक लाइन में नज़र नहीं आ रहा, but you can see this. So everything is very plain. You can see that मतलब you cannot see the strokes over here. See, you cannot see strokes over here. I've used the same colors. I mean, ये blue थोड़ा, ये जो वाला blue है ये थोड़ा light blue है. This is a bit violet blue. So you can see the color. So you can see the difference. That the difference is very high. I used a bit of white also here to show highlights. So you can see, you can compare both of the colors. Actually both are good. मुझे जैसे कि मैं because I use, तो मेरे लिए दोनों ही बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं. ये पेपर भी बहुत ही अच्छा है. यू कैन डू एवरीथिंग विद दिस. बट थोड़ा बहुत स्ट्रोक्स दिखने लगता है इस पे, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ स्ट्रोक्स दिख रहा, यहाँ स्ट्रोक्स दिख रहा. मतलब कम्प्लीटली एक it's not fine. I mean, it's not smooth, completely smooth. And you can see the smooth texture over here. Here also the same, here also same, here. Every place has the same color, same quantity. But here you can see, here is a bit less quality of color, and here you can see high quality of color. Here you can see, here very less quantity of color, and you can see here very high quantity of color. So I advise you to use canvas board or canvas pad for this. और you can even use if, but जैसे कि मैंने ये बहुत बड़ा मैं पेंटिंग कर रहा हूँ, that's why the strokes, I can see the strokes. But if you are making small painting, you can then you can use, suppose I will color this woman. So for this you can use this paper also, because this woman is very small and the area, this area is very large, so the strokes are visible. But if I will color in this, so as a surface area is very less, so the strokes won't appear, and the result would come same as this, I mean this canvas board. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video.